Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add a link on your TikTok bio. So first, let's head on the TikTok app, and from the profiles page, just look for this icon and click it. Then click settings and privacy, click account, then click on switch to business account. We have to make sure that we are on a business account so we can add links to our bio. And once done, we can just head back to the profile page, click on edit, and from here, you can now access the links section. Say for example, I want to copy this link, can just paste the link, then click save. So as you can see in the profile page, we can now see a link attached to our TikTok bio. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this video helped you on how you can add a link on your TikTok bio. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again on the next one. Bye!